I'm Elizabeth Gillespie. I'm the Co-Director for Sterilisation and Infection Control at Monash Health. I've been in the role for 13 years. The cleaning performance and efficacy is very important for Monash Health. We're a very large metropolitan health service. We first introduced Rubbermaid HYGEN Disposable Microfibre cloth because some medical equipment couldn't actually be cleaned. It was too sensitive, but once we introduced this product, we were able to clean all of our equipment. We tested it in the laboratory and found that it removed 99.9% of microbes, as Rubbermaid had said it removed. We know that this is the highest level of cleaning that we can get with a disposable cloth. It's environmentally a very friendly product. There's no streaking of dirt. They love it.
The disposable microfibre cloths have had a huge impact on our cleaning. It's so simple and effective. It's a single-use item and then we dispose of it, so less infection risk.
Since we've introduced microfibre, we think we've saved a significant amount of money. It's simple to use, there's no chemical, a small amount of water, and it does a fantastic job. We were very happy.